Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to clear X cache on your iPhone. So let's open X, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, which will open the side menu. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy, and as you can see, your settings have different sections. You want to go to section accessibility, display and languages, and now let's go to data usage, and finally under the tab with your storage you will see two options that include media storage and also web storage. So basically your media storage removes cached photos, GIFs and also videos that you review on X. And the situation with web storage, so this web storage basically keeps you logged into your X account. You have to simply tap the option that you want to clear, simply like this, and confirm it by tapping once again at the bottom side of your screen. So that's how you can clear your X cache on your iPhone, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.